How many Instagram posts do you scroll past without a second thought? Now think about when someone offers you something valuable for free. A checklist, a template, or maybe an exclusive guide. You pause, right? That's what a lead magnet does. It grabs attention, creates value instantly, and brings new subscribers into your ecosystem. In today's video, I'll share 7 lead magnet ideas you can use on Instagram to attract your audience, grow your mailing list, and boost conversions. So, let's dive in. A lead magnet is a valuable incentive you offer in exchange for contact details, usually an email address or phone number. It can be a freebie, exclusive content, or a tool that solves a specific problem for your audience. Think of it as a digital handshake. You give value first, and in return you get permission to nurture that relationship. So why should you bother creating lead magnets? Because these little marketing helpers drive measurable results. And here are some proven benefits. Higher conversion rates. According to HubSpot, businesses that use lead magnets see conversion rates of up to 30% higher compared to those that don't. Audience growth. A compelling resource encourages followers to share it, which means organic exposure and more subscribers. Stronger trust. When someone downloads a helpful checklist or guide, they see your brand as an expert, not just another account selling something. Better segmentation. Different lead magnets help identify customer interest, which makes targeting easier. Simply put, lead magnets transform casual followers into qualified leads. Now let's talk about what makes a good lead magnet and what types of lead magnets you can implement into your Instagram marketing strategy to boost engagement, build authority, and fuel long-term growth. A good lead magnet shares 5 essential qualities. First, relevance. It must match audience interest and address a real need. Second, value. It should feel like a genuine reward worth exchanging contact details for. Third, simplicity. Sign up and access must be effortless. Fourth, quick wins. Users should see results or benefits almost instantly. Finally, problem solving. An effective lead magnet removes a specific pain point, proving your brand understands and supports its audience. Well, it's time to move to the most practical part and go through the best lead magnets to share on Instagram. Exclusive ebooks and guides. Pack your knowledge into a short guide that solves a real-world problem. For instance, if you run a fashion store, create a seasonal style guide. Ebooks position you as an expert and provide lasting value. Templates and checklists. People love ready-to-use tools. Social media post templates, content calendars, or design checklists make excellent lead magnets. They save time and keep your brand top of mind. Free webinars and workshops. Live sessions give followers a reason to engage right away. You can promote your free webinar through stories or reels to create urgency and exclusivity. Webinars enable you to share expertise in real time, address inquiries, and showcase your product or service naturally. This makes them one of the most effective ways to position your brand as a trusted authority while capturing high-quality leads. Discount codes or coupons. Nothing attracts attention like a deal. Offering a one-time code in exchange for sign-up is simple yet effective. It drives immediate action and boosts sales while you build your subscriber list. Quizzes and assessments. Interactive content works wonders. A quiz like "What's your marketing personality?" will help you encourage engagement, entertain your audience, and deliver tailored recommendations. Exclusive content access. You can promise early access to new collections, behind-the-scenes videos, or private communities to build a sense of exclusivity and keep followers engaged. Free trials or product samples. Sometimes the most convincing offer is a chance to try before buying. A free trial of your service or product sample gives followers a hands-on experience, which builds trust faster than any description. This approach works especially well for SaaS tools, cosmetics, or food brands that want to prove quality upfront. All these ideas engage your audience and nurture trust, which is the foundation of a strong Instagram strategy. Now that you know how to attract leads, the next question is how to manage them without losing time. With SendPulse's Chatbot Builder, you can create chatbots for Instagram that will help you deliver lead magnets instantly and automate conversations with your subscribers. Imagine a follower sending a keyword in DM and your chatbot replying with a link to your ebook, discount code, or even registering them for a webinar. No manual work, no missed opportunities. And it doesn't stop there. SendPulse lets you combine Instagram chatbots with other smart marketing tools. You can run email campaigns, set up push notifications, manage SMS, and even launch landing pages. Everything designed to help you grow leads and convert them into loyal customers. This way you can build a full multi-channel strategy, nurture your leads, and convert them into paying customers. Visit our website to learn more about SendPulse features. The link is in the description. Let's wrap it up. Lead magnets are not just about giving away something for free. They're about exchanging value for connection to help you grow your audience and build stronger relationships with your customers. That's it for today. If you found these ideas helpful, give this video your thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to always stay on top of digital marketing trends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.